Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove your Instagram account from another device. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And first of all, we need to go to our profile, click on this profile button, and we can click on the three lines on the top right to open the settings and activity. And here we need to open the account center. Okay, and we have to click on password and security. And if we want to remove our Instagram account from another device, we have to change our password. You can click on change password right here, and after you change your password, your Instagram account will be automatically removed from another device. But if you don't want to change your password, don't worry, because I want to give you another method to remove your Instagram account from another device. You can go to where you're logged in option right here. Just click on it. And since I have logged into multiple accounts on this device, so there are some accounts right here. And I'm just going to select one of them to give you an example. I'm going to select this account. And here we will see our account login activity, and this is my logins on other devices, and we just need to select the device we would like to log out from. And I'm gonna go with this device. We can click on the device, and here we just need to click on log out, and our Instagram account will be logged out from the device. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove Instagram account from another device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.